In the past few months, we saw a lot of leaks and rumors about the iPhone 12, like the boxier design or the 120Hz refresh rate, and today we're going to talk about it. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. You're watching Tecnicos, and today we're going to talk about iPhone 12 rumors and leaks. There was a lot of talk about the iPhone 12 and there were so many rumors and leaks, and a lot of them were quite interesting actually, like the 120Hz refresh rate, the Pro Motion display, and the boxier design of the 5S or the iPhone SE, the fast charging, the USB-C type, and the 5G, the 4K with 120 FPS. Well, let's check the reality of it. Now that the launch is a few months away, here are the things we can realistically expect from Apple. It's going to come in three sizes: the 5.4, the 6.1, and the 6.7 inch versions. Now the entry level iPhone 12 is smaller than the SE, which was released this year, and it's going to be one of the smallest iPhones that was ever made after iPhone 5S. Now in countries like US or UK, it might be a good thing, you know, like, oh, it feels so right in the hand, it's so comfortable, it's so one-handed using. I mean, no, we like big phones, give us big phones. The other two are almost identical to the sizes of iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any tech related query, let us know in the comments. We'll like to help you out. Now you may or may not know that there will be no charger in the box because it's environment friendly and it'll cut down the cost. But if you look at it realistically, the iPhone 12 is much expensive than the iPhone 11. The iPhone 12 could start from $750, which is $50 more from the iPhone 11 release price. So we are getting less accessories, smaller phone, and a higher price. So enticing, right Apple? Let's talk about connectivity. When we talk about connectivity, we have heard many rumors that iPhone 12 is going to be 5G. It's going to be 5G compatible, you can use 5G and all that stuff. It's kind of true. Not all the models are going to be 5G, and from what I know, only the Pro models are going to be 5G compatible and not the basic iPhone 12 models. Apple is going to stick to the 60Hz refresh rate, and they're going to wait out till 2021 or maybe 22 or 23 or maybe further on for 90 or 120Hz display. Let's be hopeful. But at least it has 4K recording with 120 FPS, right? Meh, you're wrong. No. I mean, kind of, but it has 4K in 120 FPS, but it's for the slow motion. So the normal recording is still going to be 30 FPS and 60 FPS. And if we talk about the design, it's not like the iPhone SE or the 5S. It's more like an upgraded iPhone 4. The metal sides, they're all glossy and shiny and, you know, smooth kind of, not the rusty and matte finishing steel or aluminium which was there in the iPhone 5S, the favorite iPhone of everybody. And I recently made a couple of videos on Apple, like the ecosystem and why they are so good, and it'll be great if you could check those out. So this was it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.